Oh, here comes Tanner. Oh, he's going the other way. Bye, Tanner. Whoa, whoa, why are we braking so far back? Student driver? I'm gonna guess student driver. Or student driver. Student driver is my guess. Student driver is the best. Student driver driving west. No blinker. Oh, what is that? It's a Tahoe. All right. That's funny, bro. That's super funny. Dirt bike with this cooler on the back. That's awesome. Things that make me laugh, I'm telling you. Sweet rides. Sweet rides. How'd you like to ride into the back of that thing? I don't mean ride in the back of it. I mean ride into the back of it. Oh, that would jack your vehicle up so bad. Especially a motorcycle. It wouldn't do nothing to him. The street is so beautiful. Wow. She's so beautiful. Doing dishes.
Did you get Jacob everything